In this video, I will show how to convert an Excel file to HTML. So you can select entire Excel worksheet, or you can convert any particular cells or column. Click on File, Save As. Now select the location where you want to save it, like desktop. And Save As type, you have to select HTML. Now here you have to find out this web page. Now you can select entire workbook or your particular selection and save it or publish. Once you click on publish, you will see these options: item to publish, range of cells, entire workbook, or any particular query like items on inventory list. Type the file name, and if you select here auto republish every time, this workbook is saved. So you can select it and publish, and open published web page in browser. So this is the way, guys, you can convert your Excel worksheet into HTML. Now we can see it's opened in the browser. It's obvious, if you want to publish on any online source, so you have to find out your Blogger or any third-party hosting client. So thanks for watching, and comment on this video useful for you.